So let's add the panel now. We'll go for panel menu. Since most of the wiring will be inside the wall, we're gonna go for the recessed option. So we're gonna go for maybe 130. So voltage is 230. Phase to phase is 400. For that small studio flat, this is gonna be one phase. Phase is one, wires. So we're gonna keep it as three wires. And circuit breaker. Panel name. Give it a brief name, maybe studio panel one. Rating. That need to be. Make sure that it is capable of going up to 100. So the main size in amps, 100. I put it as 100. Design capacity as well. Current short circuit rating need to be calculated, but I'll leave it for now as is. You have to make sure that this is calculated and entered as it should be. Now, as for the fed front, we don't have any transformer in supply at the moment, so we're just gonna leave this as is for the moment. All right, so now we need to determine how many circuits we want to install so that we can create those in the circuit manager. But before we do this, I realized that I haven't put the water heater yet. So we're gonna go into device, you don't have the power drawing, you could open it from here.